How are you guys doing?
Hey.
How's it going, man? Let's leave this place and never come back. So this area here is called Finoda, and it's super cool the way they built houses on the water. So just like that, floating. Got a little gym here. So yesterday I was chatting with Francisco in New York, and we were talking about burgers. And Ronnie and I were talking about burgers now and wondering if Funky Chicken is open, because Funky Chicken is one of the world's highest ranked burger places. The only thing is that it's a mistake to come here on a Sunday, especially when both Ronnie and I have days off during the week. So it's going to be quite a line. Get in line, Mr. Burger. Look at this. Look at this. Have you heard of this? Funky Chicken. Okay, so Funky Chicken is actually well known around the world as one of the better burger places. You know, they don't really sell chicken unless they do have a weekly chicken burger, but they have a weekly burger, and then that's the burger that you're gonna eat and you're gonna like it. That's how it's gonna go down. Well, let's go look at some water instead. Yeah, and if we make it all the way to Nickelviken, then maybe we can look at a cow and we can pretend that it's a hamburger. Ronnie said they got this elevator here, man.
Just for that. So.
And it says busy. The sign says busy. People are fucking in there. Let's play some elevator music. So this is awkward. Slowly sliding into position. Slowly taking her panties off. She'll be ready any minute now. Any minute there. Oh wait, you don't have consent yet. The legs are not fully open. If it's not 100% yes, it's a partial no, and then we know how that goes down. I'll see you in court. Got some nice chill music, got some blankets. Hold on, I gotta make a phone call. Who stole the phone? Oh, I didn't even make a call. I mean, these days you don't talk to anyone, you just check your DMs. And just so you guys don't feel left out, this is what it's like. And look at this, you open one and they both magically open. And then just go inside here. Ta-da! Don't go too fast or the police boat will get you. Oh yeah! Nice ass. That angel must work out. Yeah, no bikes allowed, exactly. So No bicycles, no skateboards, no scooters, no inlines. So look at this sea grill. They got everything here, man. They got a gym. They got a gym, man. They got a spa. They got mini golf. What's paddle in English?
No,
Pickleball. There we go.
Really?
Yeah, pickleball, man.
Kind of looks like retarded tennis.
Maybe if I ride low, they won't know that I'm on a skateboard. When it turns into a single lane, then you know you're dead. Now you can appreciate how big it really is. Also, that's for trash.
I could smell it.
Yeah, me too. That's why I opened it. I wanted to, you know, savor all of the attractions that we have out here. And I mean, just because it can do stuff, it doesn't mean it's the right tool. Oh, look at them ducks, man. Quack. Oh, yeah. Oh, I guess it's because watch out for the kid. So today we're doing the Swedish Championship on who can have the longest leash for their dog. We got participants from all over the world. He's gonna eat the GoPro, yeah. I'll try again with the phone. We're not gonna milk you. We just came to look at your poo. We just wanted to admire your handiwork. What a productive Sunday you've been having. Doing some lefts and rights, but they realized that I'm taking them to the Hobbit house. So this is super cool. It's a bed and breakfast. Welcome to Hobbit Stockholm. He asked if we want to take a look inside. Amazing. Wow.
Welcome to Hobbit House.
Tack så mycket, vad roligt. Jag filmar till min YouTube så...
Ja, men vad roligt.
Ja.
Vad roligt. Tjena, tjena. Tjena, tjena.
Super nice of you.
Bara kittad ni ser ut.
Yeah. Today's the day, guys. We're going in. I've been looking outside.
Have you seen it before?
Yeah. Every time I pass by here with my friends, I show them and say, look at this place, it looks amazing. And I was just talking about it now. And
So this is how it looks inside.
it's amazing. This is so cool. Oh, music. Oh, man.
That's super cozy.
Watch your head, man. Super cool.
I have to watch the toilet as well.
Oh,
because
wow.
That's something different.
I'm gonna also film it with my iPhone because it has better low light
And you have the
reception.
theme running on repeat?
Always.
Ooh, I feel like there's gonna be some kind of wizard coming
yeah.
soon. Oh, there it is.
How many times have you seen the movies?
Well, that's really interesting because I'm saving the movies. So I'm watching them maybe 5 times total. But
Oh yeah.
I think this will
Oh.
because I don't want to make them more. So I'm just saving them. Exactly.
Now for some elevator music.
Because we have another guest coming every year to see the movies. That's also
Amazing.
But
Amazing.
I keep saving them.
So cool.
It's
Fantastic.
quite unique, I think.
Oh,
Because
definitely.
I have some friends that's they were in New Zealand just 2 weeks ago and saw the Hobbit town. They thought the feeling here is more authentic than in Hobbit town. It was bigger, of course, and the surroundings were. That's really interesting because I'm saving the movies. So I'm watching them maybe 5 times total. But
Oh yeah.
I think this will
Oh.
because I don't want to make them more. So I'm just saving them. Exactly.
Now for some elevator music.
Because we have another guest coming every year to see the movies. That's also
Amazing.
But
Amazing.
I keep saving them.
So cool.
It's
Fantastic.
quite unique, I think.
Oh,
Because
definitely.
we have some friends that's they were in New Zealand just 2 weeks ago and saw the Hobbit town. But they thought the feeling here is more authentic than in Hobbit town. It was bigger, of course, and the surroundings were greater, of course. But this is more genuine.
Yeah, I agree.
It should be the thing like someone that lives here.
Yeah, yeah,
That's true. Absolutely.
yeah. Fantastic.
People rent the
Really
place in
beautiful.
winter too. They use
exactly. I think.
Oh, that's even more cozy.
Yeah, I think exactly. I think the winter is almost cozier. If you live in an apartment, it could be nice in summer because then you can sit outside and so on. But if you're living in the countryside or in a villa, then you should go here in winter because it's then cozier.
Super cool. Thank you so
Super cool.
much.
Nice.
Really
No problem at all.
appreciate being able to look inside. It's going to be super cool to share with the viewers as well. So
Yeah.
every day is full of adventures.
Every
There
day
you
is
go.
full of adventure.
Yeah.
It's like
Fantastic.
a Hobbit quote.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So there you go. Out in and about them. If we would have stayed home today, I probably would have watched the new Jason Statham movie. Probably would have eaten some sour cream and onion cashews. And I wouldn't have seen a cow making a gigantic poop. And I wouldn't have seen Hobbit Stockholm. Well, first time I see the inside anyway. There we go. Yeah. All downhill from here. Do it again. Limitless.
Skip at least 2 magnets.
There you go. Yeah.
It's crazy. I was all the way there.
Yeah. You should buy a Godway.
Oh, you're serious?
Mine never skips. Exactly. Stream ball. Oh boy, things are not looking good.